Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Astro Knights. This is a cooperative deck-building game where you and up to 3 friends work together to defeat a formidable boss. Your primary objective is to reduce the boss's health to 0 before it overwhelms your team or destroys the homeworld you are defending. A unique aspect of Astro Knights is that your deck is never shuffled, which means the order of your cards is entirely up to your strategic planning. Setting up Astro Knights is straightforward. Begin by selecting a boss and a homeworld. Each offers distinct challenges and special rules. Next, each player chooses an Astro Knight character, gathering their specific starting cards to form their initial deck in hand. Then, arrange the various supply piles for fuel, tech, and weapon cards which you will acquire throughout the game. Finally, assemble the turn order deck, which dictates who acts next, be it a player or the boss. During your turn, you will navigate through 3 crucial phases: the attack phase, main phase, and draw phase. In the attack phase, you can use any weapons you have equipped. The main phase is where you spend energy to gain new fuel, tech, and weapon cards from the supply, equip more weapons into your available slots, and power up your knight to activate powerful character abilities. Finally, the draw phase allows you to refresh your hand for the next round. Victory in Astro Knights is achieved by collectively reducing the boss's health to 0. However, defeat can come in several ways. If all players become exhausted, if the homeworld's health drops to 0, or if the boss reaches its maximum level and cannot draw more cards. Success hinges on strong communication and strategic teamwork. Each boss presents unique challenges, so coordinating your efforts and adapting your strategy is essential to defend the galaxy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.